following message is transmitted at the request of the Colorado Avalanche Information Center. The Colorado Avalanche Information Center has issued an avalanche watch for the Colorado Front Range Mountains and San Cristo Range east of the Continental Divide. A significant winter storm is developing over Utah Thursday morning. As the system moves east, a closed low-pressure system develops over the Four Corners, resulting in easterly upslope flow for all areas east of the Continental Divide. Widespread 1 to 2 foot snowfall accumulations, with local areas of 3 feet, are possible Thursday night through Friday for areas of the Front Range Mountains and San Cristo Range east of the Continental Divide. Gusty northeast winds will accompany the snow on Friday. The current snowpack foundation is very weak. The rapid addition of a significant snow load will result in widespread avalanche activity. Pay attention to changing weather and snowpack conditions. Backcountry users will need to exercise extreme caution as this system evolves on Friday. An avalanche watch means that, if forecast weather verifies, the avalanche danger will rise too high in the watch area. This watch is in effect until 10 a.m. Friday, at which time an update will be provided with possible warnings. This statement is of particular interest to persons using the backcountry outside developed ski area boundaries. When necessary, ski areas use avalanche control methods within their boundaries to mitigate the avalanche danger.